How's it going, everyone? My name is Frank Cavone with Mirth Films, and today we're at the 2018 Albany Gay Pride event. Not only is this a special event because it's in the capital of New York State, but it raises awareness for all of the LGBTQ community. There is also crafts, food, vendors, and even live music. Let's go check out what some of the people have to say about this event today.
This parade is one of the best parades throughout the state. I go to many parades. This is the liveliest, this is the most energized, culturally, social, with society these days. Every day should be a great day, happy day, Pride Day, so go Pride.
My 10th year coming to this event. I think our Planned Parenthood has been supporting it for probably 30 years, and we're really happy to see so many people come out and support the LGBTQ community in Albany, and this turnout from Planned Parenthood supporters is amazing, and we're just thrilled to be here.
Hi, I'm Frankie and State. This is Stella Virgin. I am current reigning King of the Damned. Stella is
Queen of the Damned and Miss Gay Pride Buffalo.
And we are here today. We are calling ourselves All the King's Men. We're representing drag kings in the community. We're trying to bring back professionalism, costuming, and show what kings can do, that we're just as good and just as out there as the queens are, and create a family environment and get the support of our queens and our community. So when we're performing, everybody will come out and join us and have fun.